So let's be real again. Many people want to earn money online, but they don't know where to start. So in 2026, one of the most profitable and flexible way to make money online is by selling digital products. So in this video, I will show you step by steps on how to start selling digital products effectively, even as you are a beginner and you have a phone. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita Onoha. I teach people how to make money online. You learn a lot on my page, anything that concerns money and to increase and manage your money. So watch the video to the end so that you learn how you can create your own digital products and make money for yourself even while you sleep. In 2026, you'll be asking why digital products. It's not a new thing. Digital products are scalable and you can create ones and sell as many times as you can, and you're making more money in as much as you are selling those products. So it's low cost, no inventory, no shipping because it's a digital product. It is what you sell online. It's not physical, so you don't bother about inventory or any shipping fee. And again, it's very flexible. You can work from anywhere at any time. So what are the examples of digital products? We have the likes of ebook, printables, online courses, templates, or even design assets. Even a busy mother or student, or even a full-time worker can start selling online with digital products in 2026. And I know you don't want to be left out. That is why you should watch this video to the end so that you can get the step-by-step procedures on how to create your digital product and how to also sell and make money from it. So what are the steps to selling your digital product effectively? Number one is that you are going to identify a niche. Identify your niche and your audience. First, you need to know who you are selling to. That is your niche. You have to ask yourself this question: who can benefit from this product that I want to create? What exactly is the problem this product is going to solve? And what do they already spend? So what do they already spend money on? So examples of niches: you can create products for students. How to study. If you are creating products for students, it could be a study note, a guide, or a planner. If you are creating products for mothers, it could be how to manage your home template, kids learning printables. Then if you are creating product for entrepreneurs, it could be a social media template or even a marketing guide. The worst thing you need to do is to pick one niche first and do not try to sell to everyone. Concentrate and know your audience and know who you are selling to. It will be easier for you to focus and to get the needed results. So number two step is that you are going to create a valuable product. Create a valuable product. So your product must solve a real time problem. It must solve a real problem. People cannot just buy your product because they are beautiful. No. People can buy your product if that's your product is going to render service or solve a particular problem they are facing. So make sure the product you are creating is going to solve problem. And how? The tips you need here is that you're going to use Canva, you're going to use Figma or AI tools to design. You keep it simple and practical, no long story. Make it visually appealing. Focus on quality, not quantity. Remember, people pay for solution, not just idea. So make it valuable so that they can pay for it and you also make money from it. So the next step, after you have chosen your niche, you have also selected your make it valuable. The next step, the third step, is to choose the right platform. So you need a place to sell your digital products. It's not like physical products you can walk into any market in your locality to sell. No, there are digital platforms where you sell your products. You can have the likes of Gumroad, Selfie, Estes, Expertnia, Front Seller, and others. You can equally sell on your social media pages. You can sell on WhatsApp, you can sell on Instagram, you can also sell on TikTok. So select the best platform that suits your audience. All right, so start with one platform, master it, then you can expand. Remember, you need to understand the platform, whichever you have chosen, for you to meet their terms and conditions and to the requirements for you to sell in their platform. Now, the fourth step is that you're going to set your price. Remember, price can be very tricky. So start with affordable price for beginners. So as you're starting, start with affordable price, test and adjust as the demand grow. So offer bundles or freebies to attract more customer. Remember, it is if it is about value, don't undervalue your product. So let the price match the value that product is offering. So number five steps is that you're going to create a simple marketing strategy. So you can't sell if people don't know about your product. You can't sell to yourself. You actually created that product to solve people's problem. So you need to put it in their eyes. So now, as a beginner, you're going to look for a strategy on how to market this your product. It could be on your Instagram page, on your TikTok reels, or showing these products. It could be on WhatsApp groups or personal contacts. You can be a free guide or tips that leads to your product. Then you can affiliate, you can collaborate with affiliates to help you sell this product. So show how this product solve a problem, not just what it is. So people will definitely buy if you have the right strategy to market that product. So number six, as you scale up, you are going to automate and scale. So in 2026, automation is a key. It makes life easier for you. How to automate from your landing page to your site for people to buy and all of that. So you automate the process. You automate the process so that you don't need to be answering to all sales calls. You can be sleeping and be making money because of automation. So automation is a key, and this is possible by using AI to generate content, captions, and design. Then you schedule this post in advance, set up your email marketing for repeated sales, and once the system is running, you sell while you sleep. Your sales funnel, if it's automated, when they come to your DM, you take them to your sales page. After they watch your VSL, they can buy, and without you even lifting your phone, you're making your money. That is the level you get to in level 6 when you automate and you also scale up. So the last step or the last stage is gathering feedbacks and improve. You ask questions. You ask your buyers questions. What did you like? What can be improved? What do they enjoy about your product? Where do you need to improve? Ask them questions. Then the answer you get, the questions you get, then you can use it to update this product and keep it relevant. Sometimes some products they get obsolete because the vendor or the owner of the product do not give time or pay attention to feedback and to improve. So the better your product, the more sales you make and the more repeated customer you have. So the common mistakes you must avoid as a beginner when you are starting to sell your product is number one, don't overcomplicate the product. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it very simple and sell it to everyone instead of on a niche. If your product targets students, sell to students. If your product targets to women, sell to them. You must not sell to everyone. And again, not marketing consistently. If nobody is seeing your product, you are not going to make sales. That is just it. It just for you, just like the person that rent a shop, stock up the shop, and every day the shop is closed. Nobody in the street will know what you're selling. That is also how it applies to content digital products. So you market consistently. It could be organic, it could be paid, but make sure there is consistency in your marketing strategy. So the fourth mistake you should avoid, giving up too soon. It's not going to be easy when you start off. Some persons will criticize you and all of that, but don't give up. Let your focus be in getting solution to persons. So don't give up. You're going to win at the end. All right. So focus on small wins, consistent actions, and improvement. Alright, so let's conclude by saying that selling digital products in 2026 is one of the most powerful ways to earn money online. Pick a niche, create a simple product, market it consistently, and let automation work for you. If you have enjoyed this video to this point, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I talk about everything about how to make money on my page and how to do anything about income and making a lot of money from it. So if you want to get started, a step-by-step guide on how to sell digital products or market, make money online, comment. I am ready. I will give you a link on a course that will teach you in-depthly how to sell digital products or how you can sell other people's money for a product and make money for yourself. Your 2026 self will thank you for starting today. Don't wait till it is late. Start today. Make money for yourself. See you in my next video. Bye.